Seen a video just now, niggas talking about how to start doing YouTube. I could teach y'all niggas to do YouTube and shit, like, especially for the GTA sides, the shit that I be doing, the shit easy, bro. So let me get right into it, right? So first, what you're gonna do? Whatever, I was recording and the mic wasn't recording. So look, you go to your YouTube, you go to settings, right? You go to the managing moderators, you feel me? And then you're gonna add Nightbot, like a command. Not like a command, but like, you feel me? Like add Nightbot. You could do it. You could do that for like every other bot pages, like Streamlabs, Stream Elements, Botrix. Just add them niggas to your pages. Make sure it's the right pages, and then save it as a managing moderator. And it's that simple. Once you do that, now Nightbot operates the page. Boom. Now you got to add a command because Nightbot already operates the page. So go to add commands. Type in the command, which would be your exclamation mark PSN. The command is anything you want the person to type. You can make that shit question mark PSN, whatever. The message is going to be whatever the command, for me, is going to tell you. So you type in exclamation mark PSN and type in your PSN. Boom. The alias situation, I don't need to get into that at the moment. Third time recording this friggin' voiceover, bro, because I keep deleting it. So boom. So the timer, right? The name don't matter. The name of the timer shit don't matter. That's just the name of the timer shit in your Nightbot profile. The message is what's the timer. Like anytime you type anything you type in that message, so you see subscribe to my Twitch, that's gonna be the timer. And you make sure you edit the time it comes up. Like you don't want all your timers coming at the same time. Like you don't want every 15 minutes all the bots say the same shit at the same time. You feel me? So you like vary the timeout, make it 20 or some shit. Or to make it 5 lines or some shit. Damn, how do I stop this shit now before it? So look, boom. You go live, blase, right? Is Nightbot active? Exclamation mark PSN. Shut the fuck up. See, Nightbot active, exclamation mark PSN. So now we know Nightbot work. Alright, cool. Let's say you gotta change your thumbnail. Cause y'all seen my thumbnail, my shit look a bunch of like some Kardashian. Right? Edit video, right here. You do it like this, edit video. Then you scroll down. Upload thumbnail, right there. Find a thumbnail. Put a thumbnail. Scroll down because you got to put for no kids audience. Then boom, save. That's just how you edit the live video, like live. Feel me? Boom, save. Straight, good money now. So now when you go back to the live video, that's the thumbnail. You get more people. Learning how to song request for your chat, like your chat can song request music without being on a laptop. Let me start off the video like this, because I can still song request. You live on YouTube too? Nah, I'm only live on my console. So let's say a nigga song requester right now. Yo, song request some other shit. If you're a broke nigga, you don't got a laptop. I'm gonna stop before J. Cole copyright me. If you're a broke nigga, you don't got a laptop, bro, it's cool, bro. That's why you're trying to stream, so you can't be, you feel me? So look, let me show you the vibes, hold on. And they can't stream because they don't got a laptop. And I'm doing it off my console right now. You don't need a laptop. So he song requested that shit, right? PTSD, Nems. I will connect it to my speaker right now and go crazy, but I'm just showing y'all. So you see that shit playing, right? What you need a laptop for? Just use your mic. That ass. So boom. No one checked on me when I needed W song. So I just stacked my bread. I'm gonna add it to the playlist. Alright, niggas get an amplifier and shit. Yeah, you get a speaker and connect to your phone. Yeah, cool. Feel me? And then you vibing. Feel me? That's how you do the Nightbot situation. How you keep your chat vibey. Boom. You see what he just put in? No Diddy though of what I just said the last clip, but this is how you song request on laptop. Crocodile teeth. You don't gotta play it off a laptop though, like. Now, for the people that want to stream with the capture card and Streamlabs, I could drop a video for that too. Just let me know in the comments, bro, and I'll drop that vid right after. I'll record that vid and drop that shit right after. That's just for people who are not trying to stream with Streamlabs and no capture card. That's just like, the come up way. That's the come up setup. Drop a like on the video. Let me know in the comments if y'all need help, because I'm probably confusing niggas and shit. But yeah, facts. That ass. Let me know. All right, 4 hours open, chat.